Hi guys, kumusta na kayo? DJ John D. And today we're gonna take a quick look at Golden Gate Bridge dito sa San Francisco. Let's go! Then guys, yung Alcatraz, sikat na pulungan dati. So guys, that's the world famous Golden Gate Bridge. Susunod, balik ako, subukan kong tawirin yan. Kahit kalahati lang. We'll see. Anyway, salamat sa panonood. Have a good day.